Is your PUBG Mobile stuck on device not supported? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you some suggestions and fixes that might help fix your device not supported error. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, getting device not supported on PUBG is not that common. So first things first, make sure your phone has at least 2 GB RAM, Android 5.1 or newer, and a decent processor, at least 1.5 GHz plus, to make sure that PUBG actually runs on it and it is not a device error. So next step is to simply download the official APK from PUBG's site or use the TapTap app if it's missing on Play Store. So sometimes a quick Google search might also help it. So next thing, avoid guest mode. Make sure you are signed in with Google or Facebook. If you are on a rooted or ROM device, switch to stock. Game may block it sometimes. And that's it. If your specs are fine, your game will simply run. You can just simply follow these steps and it might work. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.